Hello Cardano holders, at this time some of holders of Cardano doing a very big mistake. It is the last of month and on this day the people start a very big mistake. So my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. For more details, keep watch this video till the end. And first of all, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for updates and news videos. If you have any questions about the Cardano Adda, about the cryptocurrencies, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the next video, my friends. My friends, let me show you the latest update of the Cardano Adda, and after that we are going to discuss the people's mistake, my friends. My friends, now the currently and latest price, the live price of the Cardano Adda in the market is 1.27 USD dollar. That's the currently latest price of the Cardano. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Cardano, so you can see here at this time the changes of course in the Cardano is going good. I really appreciate Cardano at this time for investment, my friends. Now the latest last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week, only the last 1 week price change is negative. So at this time the situation is going good. So you know what, at this time the people start a mistake. What mistake the people start? The people start selling. You know what, it is the end of month and the people start selling. But that's wrong, my friends. Now unfortunately the previous month of the Cardano is a bad month, and the previous month completely fast down in the price of Cardano. You can see here, my friends, completely fast down in the price of Cardano in the previous month. So why you decide to sell on this time? On this time the price change is negative, so you are in the lows. That's a big mistake for all of you. It's time to hold, not to sell. Hope you like this video. If you are a holder, so don't do this mistake and be safe from yours from loss. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for updates videos.